Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to study chapter number 10, that is reaching the age of adolescence. So let us move forward. So today the first topic is adolescence and puberty. So what do you mean by adolescence? So adolescence is the period of life between 11 years and 19 years when the body undergoes several changes leading to the reproductive maturity is called adolescent. Between the ages of 11 years and 19 years, children are called adolescents. During this period, adolescents are called teenagers. सो अडोलेसन क्या होता है? अडोलेसन एक पीरियड ऑफ लाइफ होती है, कितनी एज से कितनी एज तक? 11 ईयर्स की एज से लेकर 19 ईयर्स की एज तक. ठीक है, उस टाइम हमारी बॉडी में डिफरेंट चेंजेस आते हैं leading to the reproductive maturity, which leads to the reproductive maturity, and this is known as adolescence. जो कोई बच्चा 11 ईयर्स से 19 ईयर्स के बीच में होता है, हम उसे अडोलेसेंस भी बोलते हैं. और कई बार आपने देखा होगा कि जो बच्चा 13 ईयर का हो जाता है या फिर 13 से ज़्यादा का होता है, तो हम उसे टीनेजर्स बोलते हैं. सो प्यूबर्टी. During adolescence, the body undergoes several changes and become capable of reproduction. These changes are the beginning of puberty. So हमने देखा है कि कई बार adolescent के पीरियड के वक्त हमारी बॉडी डिफरेंट चेंजेस के थ्रू जाती है and we becomes capable of reproduction, and these changes are the beginning of puberty. And in the chapter number 9 also we have studied that uh, what is reproduction actually we have studied. And if simple I can say the definition of puberty is that puberty is that adolescent period during which our bodies undergo several changes, and due to which our body become capable of reproduction. When does the puberty end? Now the question comes. So puberty कब end होगी? Puberty ends when an adolescent reaches the reproductive maturity. Now let us see changes during puberty. अब आपके माइंड में ख्याल आया होगा कि ये तो समझ आ गया कि adolescent puberty होता क्या है, but we want to know now what are the changes occurring during puberty. So the important changes that take place during puberty are as follows. First is increase in height. Let us go with the topic wise. So increase in height. So generally by the age of 11 a boy reaches 80% of the height, while a girl reaches about 88% of her height. Means initially girls grow bit faster than boys. So generally हम देखते हैं कि जब कोई गर्ल है सपोज 8-9th क्लास में, तो गर्ल की हाइट ज़्यादा होती है एज़ कम्पेयर टू बॉयज़. बट स्लोली जब बाद में 18 ईयर तक बॉयज़ लंबे हो जाते हैं गर्ल्स से. क्यों होता है? क्योंकि इनिशियली गर्ल्स ग्रो faster than boys, though boys also grows. Okay, it doesn't mean that the boys do not grow, boys also grows, and that is why we see boys are now in if they are in 11-12, so they are having a long height as compared to girls. They are taller than the girls. Generally the height is similar to the parents because it depends on the genes inherited from the parents. I already told you that what is the meaning of genes. So if you have not seen the video of chapter number 9, I'll post the link of that video made by me on the in the description box. So please go to that video and please watch it. It will help you to understand this topic very nicely. So generally we have the height according it depends on our parents only. हम देखते हैं कि किसी बच्चे की हाइट अगर उसके पेरेंट पे चली जाती है, तो ऐसे कहते हैं कि जनरली ये तो अपने पापा पे ही गया है, मतलब उसके पापा की जितनी ही हाइट है इसकी, तो ये तो पूरी लंबी जाएगी. क्योंकि इसकी मदर भी लंबी है और फादर भी लंबा है. So this depends on, because the gene, it depends on the genes inherited from the parents, because genes contains the, we can say genes contains the characteristics from the parents to offsprings. अब offsprings क्या है? offsprings है children, child. Now second is change in body shape. जनरली हम देखते हैं बॉयज़ में कि उनके शोल्डर ब्रॉडर हो जाते हैं, उनकी चेस्ट वाइडर हो जाती है ड्यू टू फास्ट ग्रोथ ऑफ मसल्स. In girls, the breast begins to develop and the region below the waist becomes wider. थर्ड है कि वॉइस चेंज. जनरली बॉयज़ की वॉइस में सडन चेंज आता है और गर्ल्स की वॉइस में हम देखते हैं कि बॉयज़ के थ्रोट के आसपास यहाँ वॉइस बॉक्स के becomes larger and it starts swelling, and this we can see in the boys, and this swelling means this is known as Adam's apple, and their voice becomes deep and hoarse. In girls the voice box is smaller, so and their voice is high pitched. वॉइस बॉक्स गर्ल्स में स्मॉल ही रहता है, उनका नहीं स्वेल होता, और पर उनकी वॉइस जो है वो हाई पिच्ड हो जाती है. लेटर देयर वॉइस बिकम्स नॉर्मल, बाद में उनकी वॉइस नॉर्मल हो जाती है. इंक्रीज्ड एक्टिविटी ऑफ स्वेट एंड सेबेशियस ग्लैंड्स. Now during puberty, the secretion of sweat and Sebaceous gland, that is oil glands, increases, and many teens get acne, pimples on their face. जनरली हम देखते हैं कि बहुत से टीनेजर्स के फेस पे पिंपल्स आ जाते हैं, रेड रेड एशेस आ जाते हैं, एक्नीज आ जाते हैं. So this is due to the increased activities of sweat and sebaceous glands. Now development of sex organs. So generally during puberty, boys with testes and penis starts developing and it starts producing sperm, and in girls the ovaries become developing and it start producing egg. Now the sixth is reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. हम जनरली देखते हैं कि हम इनफेक्ट कहते भी हैं कि जब बच्चा 9th-10th में आ जाता है वो बच्चा इरिटेट होने लग जाता है पेरेंट्स से, मतलब उसे अच्छी जो बात उसे सही राह पे ले जा रही है उसे कई बार उससे चिढ़ होने लग जाती है. इनफैक्ट वी कैन से दैट वी आर हैविंग द चेंजेस इन अस. सो उस टाइम जनरली हम मेंटल चेंजेस से भी जाते हैं, गुजरते हैं, इनफैक्ट इंटेलेक्चुअल चेंजेस से भी गुजरते हैं, इमोशनल कई रोने लग जाते हैं एकदम, मतलब बहुत कमज़ोर दिल के बन जाते हैं. एंड दिस डेवलपमेंट टेक्स प्लेस ड्यूरिंग प्यूबर्टी. Secondary sexual characters. Now what are secondary sexual characters? Secondary sexual characters are the changes which takes place during puberty. These will the changes that takes place during puberty. Now in boys what happens, the hair begin to grow. So जो boys है उनकी beard, mustache ये start ये क्या हो जाती है, developing start हो जाती है इनकी. Hair also grows on the chest, उनके chest, armpits and pubic region पे hair grow होने start हो जाते हैं. और जो testes है वो sperm produce करने लग जाती है. और in girls the breast develops and the hair grows in the armpits and pubic region. Now the ovary starts to produce eggs. These changes are controlled by chemical substances called hormones produced by endocrine glands. So जो main hormone है which controls secondary sexual character is testosterone. It is produced by testes. In female it is estrogen and which is produced by ovary. Now the production of these hormones is controlled by another gland which is pituitary gland. Now reproductive phase in humans. The capacity for reproduction and at puberty. So reproductive phase in humans. So it lasts longer for a longer time in males than the females. And the capacity for reproduction starts at puberty, which we have already discussed. Now in males, the capacity for reproduction start at puberty and last for 40 to 50 years. Now menstruation. In females, the ovaries produces one egg every month and the uterus prepares to receive the fertilized egg. When the uterus do not receive the fertilized egg and means when the how the uterus prepares to receive the fertilized eggs, so it form a layer. So when it form a layer, so that layer is being formed now. So when the uterus do not receive the unfertilized egg, now यूट्रस ने तो अपनी पूरी प्रिपरेशन कर ली फर्टिलाइज्ड एग के लिए, बट अब उसे मिल रही है सिर्फ अनफर्टिलाइज्ड एग. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि जो वो एग है और जो वो लेयर बनी है उसकी शेडिंग होनी शुरू हो जाती है. एंड ड्यू टू इट शेडिंग, okay, the due to its shedding, so every month we faces means the woman's faces menstruation, and the beginning of menstrual cycle is called menarche, and the menstrual cycle stops at the 40 or 50 years and it is known as menopause. So this is all about menstruation. Now sex determination in humans. It is very easy, as I have told you, 23 pairs from the mother is taken and 23 pairs from the father is taken. Total it is 46 chromosome is taken. And what happens now, let me tell you. Suppose when the female always gives X chromosome only, but the father may give X or may give Y. फादर के पास चॉइसेस होती है, वो कई बार एक्स क्रोमोसोम आ जाते, कई बार वाई क्रोमोसोम. मदर के पास सिर्फ एक्स क्रोमोसोम होता है. तो if a sperm having X chromosome fuses with an egg having X chromosome, so it will form a girl child. मतलब मदर तो एक्स देगी, अगर फादर भी एक्स दे देते हैं, दोनों एक्स हो जाते हैं, तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, एक गर्ल चाइल्ड का बर्थ होता है. और अगर फादर वाई दे देता है, मदर का एक्स ही है, तो उसमें किसका बर्थ होता है, बॉय चाइल्ड का. Now endocrine glands and their functions. It is very important. I hope that you listen it carefully. Endocrine glands produce chemical substances called hormones and which is used to control different functions in the body. The main endocrine glands are pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, testes, ovaries. Pituitary glands controls growth and production of hormones by testes and ovaries. ये हमने already पढ़ा है. और जो thyroid gland है produces thyroxine. Its deficiency causes goiter sometimes. So that is why thyroid gland is very means thyroxine is very important for us. Now adrenal gland. So it produces adrenaline and it helps us to our body to adjust the stress. Means whenever we are angry, whenever we are in stress, whenever we are in fear, and whenever we are worried, so the adrenal gland is being released and this produces adrenaline. Where the adrenal gland is situated, it is situated just above the kidney. And the pituitary gland, so generally आपने देखा है वुमेन्स बिंदी लगाती है, तो बिंदी यहाँ सेंटर में जहाँ बिंदी लगाती है वहाँ आसपास ही पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड सिचुएटेड है. अब पेनक्रियाज, इट प्रोड्यूसेस द इंसुलिन एंड इट्स डेफिशिएंसी causes diabetes. So testes produces testosterone and which controls the production of sperm and the secondary sexual characters in male. Ovary produces estrogen and which controls the production of egg and the secondary sexual characters in female. Now reproductive health. Now, to keep the body healthy, everyone should have balanced diet, personal hygiene, and physical exercise. जनरली ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ प्यूबर्टी हमें यूजुअली कहा जाता है बच्चे को 21 ईयर्स तक मिल्क पीना चाहिए. क्यों पीना चाहिए? क्योंकि अगर एक टाइम उस टाइम पीरियड में कमी हो जाती है तो आगे जाके आप बहुत सफ़र करते हो उसकी वजह से. तो हमें अपनी हेल्दी डाइट रखनी चाहिए. सो बैलेंस डाइट क्या होती है? इट इज़ अ डाइट विच कंटेन्स न्यूट्रिएंट्स इन द राइट अमाउंट. ऐसा नहीं होता कि अनबैलेंस्ड न्यूट्रिएंट्स. इट कंटेन्स द बैलेंस्ड न्यूट्रिएंट्स such as cereals and vegetables, fruits, pulses, milk, nuts, meat, eggs, sugar, jaggery होते हैं गुड़ एक्सेट्रा. ना पर्सनल हाइजीन पे देखते हैं. सो एवरीवन शुड हैव अ बाथ एटलीस्ट वंस एवरी डे. सबको एक बार तो नहाना ही चाहिए. स्पेशली क्लेanliness इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग विच यू शुड फॉलो. आपको अपनी सराउंडिंग थिंग्स भी क्लीन रखनी चाहिए और साथ ही साथ अपने आप को भी क्लीन रखना चाहिए. फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज, वॉकिंग, प्लेइंग आउटडोर गेम्स एंड एक्सरसाइज कीप्स द बॉडी हेल्थी. Generally walking, playing outdoor games, so these also reduces our stress and even reduces means a lot of decrease means we are our immunity becomes strong even. Okay, so we should do the physical exercise. It have a lot of benefits for us. It makes our body healthy too. So this is all. Now the topic is say no to drugs. So drugs are addictive. So once the person started using taking drugs, so they become addictive to it. They want again and again. If you take them once, you'll feel like taking again and again. They'll ruin health and happiness. AIDS is a dangerous disease caused by the virus HIV. AIDS spreads from an infected person to the healthy person, means it's a communicable disease. How? By sexual contact, means by fertilization or something, and sharing syringes using for injecting drugs. Okay, by this also it gets spread, and it is also transferred from the mother to the child through her milk. Now this is all about. So thank you everyone, bye. And I hope you have understood the topic very nicely and you have learned it. So thank you, bye, have a nice day everyone, and please do subscribe the channel, like and share the video.